Special biology laboratory equipment. Here we have the compound microscope or the light microscope. It uses light as source of illumination and is generally used just like microscope to study the invisible world, that is the microorganisms, those organisms that are not visible to the naked eye. You see the functions of some of the parts of the compound microscope. Now we see the clinostat. This clinostat is used to cancel the effect of gravity on the growth of plant. Is used to study the effect of gravity on the growth of plant. Either it makes use of a motor that rotates the plant shoot equally. Here we have the adult human skeleton, the plastic model. Some might not find it funny using the real human bones, so this is an ideal for you. It is good and it's more stable unlike the real human skeleton. So then we have the Ganox spotometer. Some might call it transpirometer. It is used to measure the rate at which plants lose water, that's the rate of transpiration, which invariably measures the rate at which plants take up water. And here is the bell jar, used to create and contain vacuum in the laboratory. It is limited in creating vacuum. When high vacuum is needed, you are advised to use a vacuum pump.
Have your anemometer here for measuring the speed of the wind. Here is a model of how the wind vane is supposed to look like. If you buy from us, these things are available at Her Majesty's World Science Channel and other equipment for analysis, for weather analysis and biology practicals. You get this one. This is the wind vane. This is the anemometer. You see it's turning, showing if the speed of the wind is faster, it will be turning faster. Then you count by color. Like when this one rotates back again, I'll count 1, 2. So the mechanism I have to use it to watch all of my videos. But here they are showing you what are available for you at Her Majesty's World. You place your order. They are cheap and affordable. We help you in the mountain in your old school.
Jennifer. Guess what? There's a channel called Her Majesty Easy World Science.
And you know the best part? It makes science so easy. Wow.
It makes science easy, simplified, and very, very fun.
Guess what? Rocket science ain't rocket science anymore.
It's now ABC.
Like if you did science in your entire life.
Another thing about Her Majesty Easy World Science channel is that he makes available laboratory equipment and reagents.
Guess the best part? If chemistry has been hard for you, he does tutorials.
And another thing is when you order for these things, they are high quality and they are also cheap and affordable for anybody.
If you want to order, just look at the number below the screen.
And don't forget to subscribe and hit the little notification button down below.
Don't forget to share, of course, obviously there's love in sharing.
Thank you. See you there.